Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to WASSCE 2024. And this is paper 2, question 8, and this is mathematics. The question reads, two observers, Abu and Bado, 46 meters apart, observe a bed on a vertical pole from the same side of the bed. The angles of elevation of the bed from Abu's and Badu's eye are 40 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. If at the foot of the pole, Abu and Badu are on the same horizontal, that's horizontal level. The question A say illustrate the information in a diagram. Question B, calculate correct one decimal place the height of the pole. The first thing for us to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from angle of elevation and depression. And naturally, human beings are supposed to see in a straight line. So anytime you want to look at an object above your head, you have to elevate your head. And the angle formed between the observer and the object above his head is what we call angle of elevation. So if you want to look at an object on the ground, you have to depress your head. And the angle formed between the horizontal eye level and the object on the ground is what we call angle of depression. So let's look at how we can interpret this question. So let's write down the solution here. The first question illustrate the information in a diagram, meaning where to draw. So two observers, Abu and Badu, 46 meters apart, observe a bed on a vertical pole. So we have vertical pole like this here. Let's say this is our vertical pole, and we have bed on top of this pole here. So we have the horizontal eye level here like this. Then the first person here is Abu. Abu observed the bed at an angle of 40 degrees. So we have something like this. This will be 40 degree, and this is Abu here. Okay. Then Badu's 48 degree. The higher the angle, the closer will be the person to the object. So it will be like this. So Badu will be 48 degrees here. Then their distance apart, this is Badu here. Their distance apart is 46 meters. Then let's say ABC, let C be here, and let BC be X meters. Okay. The question says if at the foot of the pole Abu and Badu are they are on the same horizontal level and they are looking at the bed from this side, the same side of the pole, from the same side of the pole. Okay. The first question illustrates the information in the diagram, then calculate correct one decimal place the height of the pole. So we are looking for this height here. This height, let it be y meters. So this is how the drawing is going to be. Then the whole of this distance now will be 46 plus x meters. 46 plus x meters. So this is the solution to A, because we are asked to illustrate the information in a diagram. So this is how the drawing is going to be. And the B part, we are asked to find the height of the pole, which is y meters. So the first thing for us to do, we can use soccer tool here. Okay, we can use soccer tool, which is a tan 40 degrees now will be opposite, which is y here, divided by adjacent, and our adjacent will be 46 plus x. The whole of this A to C now, length AC will be 46 plus x. That will be 46 plus x. Let's find y. Y will be equals to tan 40 degrees bracket open 46 plus x. Let's call this equation 1. This will be our equation 1. Okay. Let's look at what we can see from the drawing again. Again, if we move inside where Badus is, we can still apply Socatua here. We can apply Socatua. And if we apply Socatua, we're going to use tan again. So it will be tan 48 degree will be equals to, tan is opposite over adjacent, which will be y over, the adjacent here now is x. That will be y over x. Okay? So at this point, we can cross multiply as well. Y will be equals to x tan 48 degree. This will be our equation 2. So clearly, from equation 1 and 2, y is equals to this and y is equals to, meaning we can equate these two equations. We can equate equation 1 and 2 to solve for x. Okay? So it means x will be equals to tan x tan 48 degree will be equals to tan 40 degrees into 46 plus x. So we can easily find x here, but before we do that, let's clear the bracket here. X plus 48 degree will be equals to 46 tan 40 degree plus uh, x tan 40 degrees. So we can collect like that, those with x now. So uh, this will be, this supposed to be tan x tan 48 degrees. Tan 48 degrees, okay? So we can collect those with x. This will be x tan 48 degree minus x tan 40 degree. This will be 46 tan 40 degrees. So we can factor out x here. X now will be equals to tan 48 degree minus tan 40 degree will be equals to 46 tan 40 degrees. Okay, so we can easily find x now. Our m is to find the height of the pole. So let's check tan 40 degree. Ensure that your calculator is in degree. Tan 48 degree first, 1.1146 minus, then tan 40 now, 0.8391. Okay, this will be equals to, we can press this direct, that's 46 tan 40 degree. That will be 38.5986, 5986. Okay, x now will be equals to, let's minus this, as 1.11106 minus 0.8391. We'll have 0.2715. So we can divide both sides by that. So it will be 38.5986 divided by 0.2715. So let's divide and get the value of x. That will be 38.5986 divided by 0.2715. That will be 142.167, let's say 80 meters. So this will be the value of this x, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the height. We're looking for the height of the pole, which is y. So to find y now, we can substitute the value of x in one of the equation. Let's say equation 2. So put x equals to 142 rather 0.1680 into equation, let's say 1, into equation 1. Okay, our equation 1, let's move here. Let me clean this b. Our equation 1 is giving us, let's say equation 2. Let's substitute into equation 2. Equation 2 is y equals to x tan 48 degree. And we know our x as 142.1680. So y now will be equals to 142 0.1680 times tan 48 degree. So y, which is the height of the pole now, will be tan 48 degree times 142.1680. That will be 157.83.89 rather 36. So this is the height of the pole, but we are asked to leave our answer to one decimal. So therefore, the height of the pole y now will be 157.9 meters to 1 dp, to one decimal. So this will be the height of the pole, 157.9 meters. So this is the height of the pole. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels for more interesting videos. In my next video, I will solve question 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Thank you for watching.